Welcome back, friends. We have a pack of Stellar Crown that we picked up at the vending machine this morning. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what we can pull. Alright. Trying to get to 50 subscribers here so I can go live at 47 right now. Got 8 packs of cards that I'm giving away. These right here. We'll be opening these next. I'm gonna go with fight. Fire. Fight fire with fire. Score Bunny. Antique cover fossil. Pancham. Duraludin. Kraden. Togedemaru. Velusa. A reverse HootHoot. A reverse Charcadet. And a hollow KlingKlang. That's a nice card. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you back for the next pack.